Hello everyone. If you didn't watch my previous tutorial, please watch it first. Link available in the description. Otherwise you could not understand what I am doing here. Okay. In this lesson we will see how to integrate option tree plugin. We currently installed it in our theme. Okay. The first step, create a folder name includes for the theme folder. In our editor, this is our theme folder. I am going to create a folder named includes. Okay. Okay. Create a file named theme-options.php inside the includes folder. theme-options.php. Okay. The next step, and use your documentation and copy the file accessing code and paste it into your functions.php file. We'll see what's happening here. This is our dashboard. If we go to option tree, here is our documentation. In this documentation, if we go to theme mode, this is the first step. We have already installed the plugin, turn it on the theme mode. We have done it in the previous tutorial. Now we are going to do this second step, creating theme options without using UI builder. We have already done this theme options-php file and put it into includes folder. Okay, now we are going to copy this code which is explained in this fifth point. Okay, this time copying this code. Open your editor, find your functions.php file, put it here, save the file. Then now copy the sample boilerplate code from the documentation and paste the code into our theme options.php file. Okay, which is available here. This is our boilerplate code. I'm just going to copy everything. Now go to our editor, our theme options.php file. I'm just going to paste it everything. Before that, we need to create the PHP tag. Okay, save the file. If you open our theme options, appearance theme options, here is our boilerplate code. Okay, now I'm going to remove some of them because we don't want them now. What I'm going to do is to remove this first. Also the slider settings. Remove this. Just save the file, see what's happening here. Expected error 103. Okay, I'll remove this code also. Let's see from here. Is the range? Let's see. Also, see what's happening. Line 62. Let's see the settings folder. It's closing here. It's closing correctly. This one is also closing correctly. Unexpected quotation. Closing bracket. Unexpected quotation bracket. Just remove this. See what's happening. Okay. Now we can change it whatever you want. This is our first setting. Checkbox. This is the label. For example, I'm going to move this for text. Here I'm also change this to text. If we need, we can also change the ID. Text. Save the file, see what's happening. Okay. The next video we will build these options and add them into our theme. For example, changing the logo as well as these options, these addresses and everything. We'll set options here. Okay. Bye for now. See you then.